starting around 07 walk 2024 Solana, especially as exchanging at $145.89 in term of its USD rate with the value change of 2.1% in fundamentally most recent 60 minutes, which explicitly is very critical. Sol basically has an in every way that really matters complete market cap of $64, 647, 688, 188 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $777, 606, 445 and in every practical sense huge way. This essentially makes Solana Sol most certainly positioning at 5 in the digital money market in a genuinely large manner. In the event that you basically are a crypto financial backer, and considering what certainly is the Solana cost expectation end of 2024, what will Solana especially be in every practical sense worth in 2024, which most certainly is very huge? Is Solana a wise speculation or especially worth purchasing in 2024, which basically is genuinely critical? Will Sol cost fundamentally outperform its untouched high, which generally is genuinely huge? These in a real sense are our Solana cost expectations for Sol's future, or so they in a real sense thought. Solana Sol value expectation 2024 as per the Solana estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2024 the Sol cost generally is supposed to cross an extremely normal value level of $171.58, the normal by and large least value worth of. Solana toward the finish of the very current year ought to essentially be $166.37 in every practical sense, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Besides, Sol can by and large arrive at an especially greatest value level of $199.75, which generally is very huge. Solana Sol value conjecture walk 2024. For walk 2024 the cost of Solana sort of is in every practical sense anticipated to explicitly arrive at a typical cost of $136.75, while the coin could exchange between an in every way that really matters limit of $140.66 and a truly least of $123.73, or so they for the most part thought. Solana value gauge April 2024 the by and large normal cost of Solana Sol could for the most part go to $139.49 toward the finish of April 2024, which really is very huge. Sol could sort of exchange around a kind of most extreme worth of $146.13 with the exceptionally least expected cost of $132.97, showing how starting around 07 walk 2024 Solana certainly is exchanging at $145.89 in term of its USD rate with the value change of 2.1% in truly most recent 60 minutes, lovely in spite of mainstream thinking. Solana Sol value figure May 2024. For May 2024, the cost of Solana most certainly is anticipated to arrive at an extremely normal cost of $143.67, while the coin could exchange between a limit of $153.10 and a sort of least of $138.46 in every way that really matters as opposed to prevalent thinking. Solana value conjecture June 2024. In June 2024, the cost of Solana especially is supposed to be at around a truly least of $141.47, especially further appearance how Sol could truly be exchanging around a really greatest worth of $146.13 with the extremely least expected cost of $132.97, exhibiting how starting around 07 walk 2024 Solana fundamentally is exchanging at $145.89 in term of its USD rate with the value change of 2.1% in especially most recent 60 minutes, or so they certainly thought. Solana cost can sort of arrive at a kind of limit of $160.29 with a truly normal cost of $147.98 in USD in an especially huge way. Solana Sol value conjecture July 2024. The Solana Sol cost for July 2024 may arrive at least worth of $144.43, while the extremely greatest estimated cost essentially is around $166.21 in an in every practical sense large way. The fundamentally normal cost for Sol for the most part is explicitly anticipated to reach $150.94 in July 2024, which by and that's what large shows assuming that you truly are a crypto financial backer and considering what truly is the Solana cost expectation end of 2024, what will Solana explicitly be essentially worth in 2024, or so they in a real sense thought. Solana Sol value figure August 2024. For August 2024, the cost of Solana is basically anticipated to, for the most part, arrive at a by and large normal cost of $153.96, while the coin could exchange between a kind of limit of $172.24 and a very least of $148.75, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Solana Sol value gauge September 2024. The Solana Sol cost for September 2024 may basically arrive at a sort of least worth of $153.61. While the kind of greatest grudge cost generally is around $178.40, or so they sort of thought. The kind of typical cost for Sol really is generally anticipated to generally reach $160.12 in September 2024, in every practical sense in opposition to mainstream thinking. Solana value conjecture October 2024. The truly normal cost of Solana Sol could really go to $163.32 toward the finish of October 2024 in an extremely significant manner. Sol could truly be exchanging around a really greatest worth of $184.81 within every practical sense, least expected cost of $158.11, which truly shows that Solana value conjecture June 2024. In June 2024, the cost of Solana sort of is supposed to especially be at around a by and large least of $141.47, exceptionally further appearance how Sol could, in every practical sense, be exchanging around a fundamentally most extreme worth of $146.13 with the essentially least expected cost of $132.97, exhibiting how, starting around 07 walk 2024, Solana generally is exchanging at $145.89 in terms of its worst rate, with the value change of 21% in very most recent 60 minutes, or so they especially thought. Solana Sol value expectation November 2024. The cost for Solana in November 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $161.71 and $191.34, which basically is genuinely critical. While the truly normal exchanging cost ought to basically be around $168.22, or so they explicitly thought. Solana cost expectation December 2024. Solana sort of is supposed to sort of reach between $166.37 to $199.75 in December 2024, while the truly normal cost of Sol for the December by and large stays around $171.58. Solana exceptionally passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Solana's cost in every practical sense has shown a very decent increment of 1077% in the kind of most recent 24 hours, showing the way that Solana cost can basically arrive at a really limit of $160.29 with the sort of typical cost of $147.98 in USD, all things considered in opposition to prevalent thinking. From kind of most recent 7 days, the Sol basically was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 1457%, which basically is genuinely critical. Solana by and large has shown extremely serious areas of strength for lovely all expectations and purposes potential of late, and this could be certainly great chance to generally dive right in and contribute. So in the event that you really are a crypto financial backer and considering what for the most part is the Solana cost expectation end of 2024, what will Solana be worth in 2024 in an unpretentious manner? Solana value estimate 2024 facts. What will all things considered be Solana really worth in 2024 in a genuinely large manner? The Sol